What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we're gonna check out TXT Good Boy Gone Bad. It just come back just from the teaser. I don't know, I feel like they're still going on the rock kind of path, but I don't know. A teaser's a teaser, it doesn't really show everything. But the title is Good Boy Gone Bad. Enough of me trying to figure out without even watching. Let's watch this. Let's get into it. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Guys, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to hit that notification bell as well. To all the dreamers that are already on Twitch, thank y'all. To all the dreamers that are not watching me on Twitch, what y'all doing? Let's begin. Captions on. Bow. Big hit music. Oh my god, that is like a fear. Imagine just a bunch of like trash and roaches just swallow you alive. New fear unlocked. Ooh. Oh. Okay, this is not some alternative-ish. Just don't care anymore. Ooh, the background vocal too? Ooh, it's like creepily settling in too. I don't know why with the rose in the background and his green shirt, it reminds me of like Poison Ivy. Ooh. Just did shit. Good Boys Gone Bad. The scar on my chest gone bad, gone dead. Slash in my heart gone dead. Who knew that Good Boys Gone Bad? Ooh, is that an eye in the background? Ooh. Good boy, come back, good boy, come back. Okay. Damn. They just trashing the whole place. Oh, he trashed that building up. He beat that building. Not building. Building sign. Maybe to my height it's a building. I don't know. Ooh. I don't know, like a funeral set? Like a cemetery set? Ooh, with a guitar in the background? Ooh. I can't do that. I feel like I hurt my neck. Ooh, they on their like, yeah, basically their bad boy face. I mean, have they had a bad boy? Oh, single tear. Okay, we sad boys now. From good to bad to sad, but still mad. Ooh. Okay. Bro, the outfits in this is crazy too. I mean, the suits are cool, but I'm just talking about like. I like them bad. Boy, stop. Ooh, choreo though too. Oh, dope shot, dope shot. I don't know, I like that a full, like, I would like to see a full performance video of them in those suits in that cemetery set. It's pretty fire. Good boy, come back, good boy, come back. Said good boys are bad. Oh, Good Boy Gone Bad. Ooh. Ooh, imagine if they have a shot of them just like performing to you, but you're like, you are in the POV. This is the POV of my death. Damn, they literally just buried my ass with an open casket. What is happening? Y'all just gonna leave like that? You gonna leave me in here? You know I can't get out? What the hell? Oh my god, literally, new fear unlocked, getting swallowed by trash. It's a POV of your own funeral, it seems like. Look, imagine, just like... Oh, hi guys. Damn, throw me. I mean, throw that trash. It's not alternative rock. It does have guitar in the background a lot in the later of the song. But it's so upbeat right now, which I mess with it. Oh my god. They look so good too, Jesus. boy, come back. Good boy, come back. Good boy, come back. Ooh. Ooh, that side look too. Ooh, this shot right here. Them in all like suit and ties, skinny ties and everything with that little X. Ooh. Look fire, look fire. I don't know, I like I like everything they're wearing is really dope, but like that shot with them just all in suits just dancing in is fire. TXT in general, I don't know. Ever since debut, they always have like a different color, like their you know how every group has a different like color, a different vibe of their style. And TXT definitely stands out to me too. And I've been liking the area, like the choices that have been going, like each comeback. I'm like, okay, 5. They're in their album B-sides too. Oof. I already know it's gonna be good though. Anyways, put in the comments down below what you guys think of this comeback, this TXT Good Boys Gone Bad. Put in the comments down below, do you like your boys good or bad? I don't know. I like my boys TXT. Thank you very much. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Join the Discord. Link in the description down below. Put in the comments down below who's your bias. Follow me on Twitch, so go subscribe on Twitch. Support the homie. Yeah, share this with your family. Share this with your grandma. Share it with everybody. Again, I am currently moving, so I won't be like uploading as frequently, but I still upload. See you in my new place, maybe. Until then, thanks everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.